Hi, this is Bill. Welcome. If you're part of a PMO or working to support one, this video is for you. We're going beyond reporting. We're talking about how your team can unlock real value using the ServiceNow dashboards. If you find value in practical, real-world insights like this, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and consider joining as a member. You'll get exclusive content, early access, and templates that help you implement what you will learn here. Today, I want to show you something that speaks directly to the heart of PMO leadership or the project management office, because I've seen it, the constant pressure to prove value and not just deliverables, the challenge of aligning dozens of moving parts while making sure every initiative traces back to your business strategy. And I know that many PMOs are trying to manage this complexity with spreadsheets, fragmented data, and outdated tools. That's why this dashboard matters. This is the PMO dashboard in ServiceNow, and it's built to help you lead with clarity, act with confidence, and protect the value of your portfolio. Let's start at the top left, active projects. This isn't just a metric, it's a snapshot of your current delivery load. Whether you're scaling or stabilizing this widget gives you the pulse of your portfolio instantly. Right next to it, we see the planned cost and planned benefit. These aren't just financial statistics. They represent your ability to justify investment decisions. If you've been asked by finance or executives, are you spending wisely? This is where you get your answer. And when you can speak the planned return of investment even before the work begins and establishes your credibility. Estimate at completion tells you where you're headed, and it's not just a number, it's your early warning system. If your costs are slipping, you'll know before it becomes an emergency. This lets the PMO step in, course correct, and lead proactively and not reactively. Now, let's pause here for a moment if this is resonating with you. If you've ever had to defend your roadmap in a steering committee or scramble to explain project drift, subscribe now and become a member. You'll get walkthroughs, templates, and detailed breakdowns you can use with your own team. Now back to the dashboard, actual cost and actual benefit. These two are where accountability meets impact. They show what's truly being delivered. If you're ahead of spend or behind on benefits, you will see all here, and your leadership will thank you for surfacing that early. So look further, projects by business unit gives you the visibility across the organization. You'll see where your efforts are concentrated and whether you're overinvested in one area or underpowered in another. And those empty entries, this is a nudge from my system. Something's missing, and the PMO is the only team with the oversight to fix it. The investment type and the investment class take you one level deeper. These widgets map your projects to strategic teams like cost reduction, transformation, compliance, and more. This is how a PMO stops being tactical and starts being a trusted advisor. You're not just tracking projects, you're shaping direction. And finally, project priority. This one often surprises people. It's not just color-coded urgency, it's a reflection of alignment. If most of your projects are marked low priority, it's not an issue of misalignment or either mislabeling. This view will help you challenge assumptions and gives you the reset focus. Now, some widgets may appear blank depending on your data maturity, but that's not a failure. That's opportunity. This dashboard doesn't hide problems. It highlights them so you can lead and be able to fix. And that's what makes you as a viable PMO. It helps you own the portfolio story. It turns metrics into insights and insights into action. Because at the end of the day, your job is to translate strategy into outcomes. And that starts with visibility. If you're ready to lead the transformation, I invite you again to subscribe and join as a member for tools, frameworks, and real-time tutorials that help you bring dashboards like this to life inside your own organization. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the work you do. Let's keep building the kind of PMO that doesn't just report value, but also delivers it.